In today's video, I'm going to go over 4 ways to easily diagnose and fix an issue with a peripheral microphone. So if you have a mic that you're plugging into your computer and you're using Windows 10 or 11 and you're getting like a really gurgled robotic voice, the first step you can do is unplug your USB-C cable. The next step you can do is you can get a different USB-C cable. That worked for me because even though it didn't look messed up, I plugged in a different one and I got it working. The next step where you can troubleshoot is here in your system sound setting. I think sometimes the issue can be related to the microphone being considered an input and an output device. So if you see here, it's microphone JLab Talk Pro input device. It was also showing up here. So I chose to remove it from output. The next step you can follow, and this has worked for me as well, is the format. So a lot of times it will default to the highest quality, this 24-bit studio quality, and you can go in and you can choose 16-bit, and even just to test if that's the issue, you could go all the way down to the CD quality. It doesn't sound as good, but it's definitely like not bad. It still sounds pretty good. And then the final step, and this is the step that really helped me, is if you go into your device manager, and if you don't know where that is, you could just type in device manager here. That'll pop it up. And this gives you access to all your peripherals for your computer and all the devices on your computer. So you can find your computer here, click down, find your microphone, and you're going to want to right click and then click uninstall device. And once you do that, you're going to unplug your microphone and plug it back in. And that's going to get you a new driver. And I don't know how it happens, but I think somewhere in the process, some communication or the driver gets messed up. And this will actually kind of make your computer reinstall it. And this has worked great for me. I bought this JLab for like $33 off Woot. And I thought I was going to have to get a new microphone, but this totally fixed the problem. Part of the reason I'm making this video is just so that if I have the issue again, I can go back and go back through the troubleshooting and realize the steps are in an easy way. So I hope this helps somebody who's having this issue. And if you enjoy 3D printing or technology, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Rando Tech Nerd. Thank you so much for watching.